In front of me is TCL 605 and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening clock and tapping on alarm at the bottom left corner. Then use this plus here to create a new one and first of all set up an hour. Click OK to save it and adjust all of those options however you want to. Let's start by hitting Add Label at the top and typing in whatever you want to if you want to. To save your alarm name, hit OK. Then pick days of the week by clicking on the chosen ones. And to exclude some specific dates, use this plus next to pause alarm and pick them. Save them by hitting OK. And to get rid of them, use remove button right next to the chosen ones. Now click on this bell icon here and choose YouTube Music at the top or Spotify if you want to use music from those platforms. Just log in. You can also select sounds, tap on Add New and pick any song you wish to set up from your smartphone. If you don't want to do that, select one of those melodies and go back. Then tap on this icon next to vibrate to disable or enable it. And click on this one next to Google Assistant routine if you wish to add your alarm to it. To hide all of those options, click at the top right corner. To turn on or off your alarm, use this switcher right next to it. To make some changes, click on it and change whatever you want to. And to get rid of it, use the delete button at the bottom left corner. To manage more alarm options, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Hit Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you want to. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!